Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast all about motivating and inspiring you towards living your life on a high level. This is your 1 minute of motivation for today, and here is your quote. Strength does not come from winning. Your struggle develops your strengths. When you go through the hardships and decide not to surrender, that is your strength. Your strength comes from the experiences and the journey you go through and experience yourself. Facing a problem or a situation head on allows you to not only fight to solve it, but also learn and develop the skills needed to conquer it. A skilled sailor was never made from calm and gentle waves. Face it, do not surrender, and you will win.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.